Rashid Khan here, and as you all know that Afghanistan was hit very sadly by an earthquake in which lots of people lost their lives, many injuries, many people suffering as a result. I'm raising up funds to help those individuals and families at this very tough time, at this very crucial time, and definitely your support will be very important. Any contribution will be very vital, very, very important for us at this great cause. Please donate www.backevenstronger.com and donate. I also want to nominate 3 players, Shahid Afridi, Hardik Pandya and DJ Bravo, to make a video and support this great cause. Thank you.